Sarah and I found these Brussels sprouts at the store, and we just decided to make a side dish and roast them in the oven. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, try them this way. I believe you are going to love them. They're such a delicious vegetable. So we're gonna get the bottom part off that is brown right here. And then if there are any little yellowed leaves, we'll take those off too. A few of them we cut into fourths just because they were so large, so they can more evenly cook. But guys, this is such an amazing dish. In Italian you say uno tira l'altro. We're gonna cut up some of this bacon, and you could totally do it vegetarian and without the bacon, but it just adds a bit more flavor. And then we're gonna get a bit of garlic as well. Our pan has been preheating. We're also gonna just put in giro d'olio, a drizzle of olive oil in there, and take this back outside and just allow the fat to get released. Now we're gonna crush some garlic. Brussels sprouts really go well with a bit of rosemary. Then we'll get the bacon out and add everything to it. Now we're gonna put some hot pepper in there as well. Little heat is good. And then the garlic and the rosemary. And now we're gonna add the Brussels sprouts. We might need to add just a bit more olive oil, and then we'll place all this in the oven. Little salt, a nice little toss of all the ingredients, and this guy is ready to go into the oven. We don't have a very active fire going, but the oven is at temperature and we just need the heat of the oven. Now we're gonna close the door and allow the oven to do its magic. Time is up, and we need to check on our Brussels sprouts. We placed just a small piece of wood in there, and oh yes, look at there. They're nicely caramelized, and the bacon flavor has been infused in all the Brussels sprouts. This is going to be an amazing side dish. See some of these little darker pieces like this when the leaves really get roasted a bit more. Oh, they are so good. So now all that is left to do is to wish you un buon appetito.